Another way we can solve this issue is to do it algebraically and by creating an equation. So what we'll do is a part-to-part to whole equation, and it will look like this, and we'll do this in green so you can see it. So we'll have 2x, okay? So here's our 2x, plus 4. So on this side you can see we have our 2x, and then we have plus 4. And then we have our balance, and our balance gets replaced with an equal sign. So we'll put that in red so we know. And on the other side of our equal sign, we have 24. Now, what we need to do in order to solve this is we need to get x by itself, or we need to isolate x. And the first thing we want to get rid of is the 4 on this side here, so this 4 right here. So let's rewrite this equation so we can get rid of that 4. And obviously, since we're adding it, we're going to have to subtract 4 from this side. So this will look like 2x, and then we will have plus, we have a 4, and then we're going to subtract 4. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to cancel out both of these 4's. Now, in order to preserve our balance, we're going to have to subtract 4 from the other side as well. So on the other side, we're going to see 24 subtract 4. Now, let's rewrite our equation, solving some of the little issues that we just created. We'll rewrite this side as 2x is left on this side, and on this side we're down to 20. Now again, going through algebra, what we need to do is we still need to isolate x, and as you can see right now, x is being multiplied by 2. Okay, so in order to undo that multiplication and isolate x, we want to divide by 2 on this side. So dividing by 2 on this side will allow us to cancel out these 2's, and then on this side of the equation, we'll be left with x. Now, since we divided by 2 on this side of the equation, we also need to divide by 2 on this side of the equation to preserve the balance. And doing that, we can then solve this, so 20 divided by 2 ends up being 10. And now that x is isolated by itself, we know that x is equal to 10.